Let's prepare to enter the silence inside and focus on gratitude today. If you'll take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, allow your shoulders to soften. Allow your body to relax. Any tension that might be present, let it go. Breathe in again deeply. Breathe out. Breathe in again, and as you breathe in, imagine that bright divine light coming down, surrounding you, filling you, moving through you. And as you imagine that light, know that we are in the light of the light. We are the light. That means that each person beside you is also the light. Each person behind you is also the light. So in this moment, as we focus on gratitude, I would like us to imagine our heart opening, spreading out and touching the heart of the person beside you. Imagine your heart opening, spreading wide, reaching out. The person behind you, in front of you, around you. Imagine that heart, touching heart, and send them a thought of gratitude in your heart. Speak to their heart and say, brother, sister, I am thankful for you. I am grateful for your presence. I'm grateful for your spirit. I am thankful for you in this moment. And as our hearts are expanded here, imagine that your heart rises up into the air and send your thoughts of gratitude up and into the eternal consciousness, divine mind, cosmic forces, however you imagine that connection. Send your heart up into the divine ether in this thought of eternal gratitude. We are grateful for each moment, each breath, each heartbeat. We are thankful. We are filled with gratitude for our eternal spirit. Let's take that idea into the silence for just a moment as we sit and contemplate that sense of gratitude. And as we breathe in and as we breathe out, as our hearts are expanded, as you open your eyes, I'd like you to look at another person. Look at another person, look them in the eyes and say, I am thankful for you. I'm thankful for you. I am thankful for you. Let's breathe in that gratitude. And so it is.